Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, Question 7. Find the sum of 81 raised to the power of half, that's 1 over 2, and 144 raised to the power of 1 over 2. We have to find the sum of these numbers. A here we have 9, B we have 12, C 21, and D 36. So we have to find the sum of 81 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 144 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now this question is just a question from what? From indices. And like we know, one of the law of indices says that when you have x raised to the power of half, this is equal to what? The same as the square root of x. It's the same as the square root of x. So when you have a number raised to the power of half, 1 over 2, it simply means what? The square root of that number. Now we have 81 raised to the power of 1 over 2. This simply means what? The square root of 81 plus 144 raised to the power of 1 over 2. The square root of what? Of 144. The square root of 144. Now, the square root of 81, like we know, is 9. 9 times 9 will give us 81. So the square root of 81 is 9. Plus, now the square root of 144 is 12. Like we know, 12 times 12 will give us 144. So the square root of 144 is 12. Now when we sum these results together, 9, which is the square root of 81, plus 12, which is the square root of 144, we are going to get what? 21 as our answer. Remember, I say from the law of indices, it says that when a number is raised to the power of 1 over 2, it simply means what? The square root of that number. And so therefore, 81 raised to the power of 1 over 2 simply means what? Square root of 81. And 144 raised to the power of 1 over 2 simply means square root of 144. Square root of 81 will give us 9. Square root of 144 will give us 12. And when we sum this up, we have 21. Now from our option here, A says what? 9, which is wrong. B says 12, which is wrong. C says 21, which is correct, and D says 36, which is wrong. So our answer to this question is C, 21. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos.